Hi everyone. Now is Today is November the 18th, 2025. 9:44 a.m. PST. Okay, we just missed a strong champ. We just missed a strong up champ here. But good thing is it arrives at a critical position. So we'll see how it behave, how it reacts to this critical. Maybe it starts sideways. That is a no trading zone. We're gonna wait for quite a while. But it looks like this is like double bottom. 1 and 2, which is obvious something. RSI divergence we can see. RSI divergence. Let me see. Trend line. Oh, trend line. And this one, they are almost the same level for RSI, but you can see the bottom is obviously up. So this is the RSI divergence. Today, RSI divergence is effective. Something is not RSI divergence is not always effective. So we need to observe some legacy trend and see, okay, this is already validated is something. And with the effectiveness of RSI divergence, let's see the top. So it arrived here and arrives here at the same level, but the candle line, the price action is a little bit above that. We in this zone, something it does not conclude too much. We need to see it close above this line. Or we want to see how it reacts to the ENA 9 or 21, something. It's very difficult to trade reverse. Let's see 5-minute chart. Oh, even more difficult because the previous candle is so long and this downward candle need to cover this. So if it cover this, it confirms downtrend. That's good, but it almost conceals the range and it's almost the end. But this one is a very nice signal. So starting from here, we can go long, but it's too late to talk about it now. At the very beginning, a market open and it just drop sharp something. So this, I'm not sure. Let's draw a trend line. Yeah. The next is like how to observe how you react to this trend line. Oops. Oops. Yeah, this is the trend line. So we would like to see how it reacts and see. In the meantime, let's see 15 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes. Um, for this one, it's not applicable anymore. Oh, need to delete it this way. So it's still a downtrend. Overall, it's a downtrend. So take care. And the steep becomes more steeper. So this trend is somewhere. So starting from here is going for the downtrend and even breaks here, which is another critical level. And retest to here. This can only be traded as a retest unless it breaks out this level like A49. Otherwise, it's a downtrend. I'm not sure. Looks like this one, a lot of battle around this one, around here. So we'll see. Well, this is dangerous. We will prefer to miss this trade rather than go in because pretty much like it's sideways. But we have seen a rejection on the trend line. break out the trend line, retest, and reject it. Keep going up. Okay. And for ES, what about ES? Okay, the same range. We can see that today ES and NQ are in the same on the same page. That means there's no ES NQ divergence for reference. RSI divergence is good, it's effective, but ES and NQ divergence is not effective, so we cannot reference that metric. And yeah, it shows that it's retest for ES and for NQ. And ES showing the same divergence. We'll see. Seems like, I don't know. Seems like this one is already triggered the trend line here. Is that correct? Oh yeah, this is the trend line. So actually, we can go short here at the top. It triggers the trend line. But what's dangerous is like it shows the RSI divergence something here. And RSI is still in sideway while NQ is trying to make a breakthrough. Okay, we'll probably like going short here and see if it will come back and pick us up because this is already the trend line in 15-minute chart, right? Is 15-minute. So sideways a little bit and get rejected. If it does not get rejected backwards, then probably like it's breakout, retest and breakout. See if it will come back, pick us up. It seems ES want to go up, but NQ is trying to break out to the downward, to the downside. Oh, ES is breaking out. Oh, maybe it's keep going up, break out the trend. Let's see ES now a little divergence between ES and NQ. NQ intend to going down, but ES is okay breaking out. Okay. ES is breaking out. Let's see if NQ will come back, pick us up. It seems like so whenever there's a divergence like this, we always take the direction as per the first breakout. See if ES and NQ are both in the sideway, then we see some preference from NQ that is going down, so we go short. But it looks like ES as a breakout and NQ is falling behind. So okay, direction is down upward. Okay, be patient and see if it will come back and pick us. If not, we just miss it. This is dangerous. Sideway allow just break out. Oh, it does not. It does not pick us. Oh my. How do I adjust? Yeah, this one. Easy to use. Not easy to use UI. Okay, come back. Pick us up. Come on. You always retest, right? Yeah. Sideway around here. If it's sideway around here, probably like going up because if you want to go, if you want to get rejected and it should reject it in 1 or 2 candles. Oops, looks like we get on ball. Okay, we are in the trade. Good luck. We just get on ball. We go long at the bottom of this candle line. I mean, so far it's bottom. We'll see. So where should we set? Where should we set the profit goal? Like maybe here. We'll see ES is keep breaking up to the upside. NQ will probably like falling. Keep in mind if ES okay, ES breakout. If ES is not breakout, even it reaches the peak, it does not mean it does not help in the future direction, but it's breaking out to the upside. So NQ will follow, see? And we enter at the bottom of this candle, which is good. I think we can probably like set this is the open market range, and this is like two. This is like divergence, and I mean double bottom or maybe triple bottom, and this indicates the RSI. Oh, so I guess we can set the. So now it crossed the neckline for this double bottom setup. Cross the neckline. Then yeah, that's the target for here. So let's see 3 minutes. Okay, keep going. Okay. When it's sideways and at the bottom, then normally the next trend will be very fierce. So I would say this take profit is a little bit conservative. I can be more anxious, uh, ambitious, right? I can be more ambitious, but yeah, another good idea is that I use a trailing stop loss somewhere, just in case something change like falls back. I'm not sure what's going on, but suddenly it just boop up. See, very strong upward momentum. Okay, this retest somewhere here. it's not easy to see. Okay, the ES shows some downtrend. Let's see 5 minute. 5 minute is still okay. It gets rejected here. Okay, not safe. I set a stop loss, trading stop loss somewhere. Because we get rejected here at the opening peak range. So I'm not sure. Maybe things gonna revert. Let's set up something here. Oh, five back, fire five back. That's good. Keep going. So this is like a sideway. It keeps going. So maybe we can move our trading stop loss a little bit here. I don't know. We need to break the previous high and break this. For ES, you need to break this opening high. This is opening candle. First 5 minute is volatility. Then the ES need to break out, close somewhere above here to make sure the uptrend continue. See, it gets rejected. Hmm. Hmm. Buyers keep going. Be patient. This sideway is pretty healthy. Just don't become trend reversal. uh, yeah, at least it covers the previous downtrend candle that the uptrend continues. That's what I can say. And continue. Where is that? Okay, for NQ, it's not even reached the peak of the of the opening market opening high. It seems like lagging behind because ES has already reached the opening high and see how it performs. If ES break out the opening high, then there are chances that NQ will break here, and that's a lot. That's a lot. NQ will have some chance to break it, to break right there. We'll see. At least this candle should not close as downward. If it close downward, then probably like trend reversal. Oh, serious? Close downward? Hmm. Come on. Okay, I almost want to give up. Damn, Jesus. But I keep an eye on the 5 minute on ES. It's still up. It's still up. This candle is still upward. So just hold my decision. Almost. When it reaches here, I almost give up. So the stop loss need to be very conservative. Say, hey, this is the upper bound of the previous sideway. So if it's really strong, if it's still sideways, then okay, really test to the upper bound of the previous sideway, then I quit. But otherwise, if you are really a strong uptrend, and you should not test the previous upper bound. You should like something like fair value gap. I don't see any fair value gap somewhere. So it's still better. It becomes like sideways. So cannot conclude something. And good thing is I don't move my trading stop loss to here, which I was once want to. It's battling. 5 minute is still an upward candle. Oops. Don't conclude too early. Come on. Fight back, buyers. This is sideway. Sideway. The hypothesis is that regardless of sideway, you should not backtest the upper bound of the previous sideway. Otherwise, it's really sideway that we should get out of the trade. But now, if you really demonstrate a strong upward, then just keep going up. The retest should not be so deep. See the 5-minute chart? See the 5-minute chart is something like triangle. Triangle. Right here is still triangle. But a little bit far away from ENA 9. Oh my God, that's not good. It's far away from ENA 9. So I'm not sure. From this one, it's not that far away. It is the little retest, and if it keeps going up, then the ENI will go out and catch the top, catch the bottom of this candle. So it's not really like far away from ENA 9. Okay, close, covering these two. Okay, upward confirm, upward review. Keep going. Yes, yes, we can confirm. We can see. Oh, you guess back. Hey, come on. I think it's upward review. Don't play this trick. Don't play this game. So if you do not enter a trade here, then this is a good chance we enter a long trade here because we see it's covering and after the retest, then the upward, the bull trend bullish reduce. See, yes, close upward. Yes, close somewhere upward here. Then I'll move my stop loss to the bottom of this something. Yeah, battle, and buyers keep winning. This is a very healthy growing. We'll see. Now it does not break out. So there are chances that it retests somewhere. So I'm not gonna move my trading stop loss. But if it break out, oh, if it break out and the ES break out, then I'm gonna move my trading stop loss to meet the bottom line. There are still struggle, battle. Buyers and sellers are battling, as we can see now. 2 minutes left. We'll see who wins. Even it is something like this, we cannot conclude that, okay, buyer will surely win. You pay attention like how this long upward shadow line gets instituted, it gets rejected. So we need to wait for the compression. Need to wait for the compression of the candle. You really need to close above that to prove that buyers finally win, finally get a triumph over seller. It looks like this to me is still like sideways. Cannot conclude anything. But I have a preference to go upward, so I enter into trade, and good luck is at the bottom of the candle. The market is so nice. Come back, pick me up. Pick me up. It looks like the sideway. Oh, the sideway, see? And ES get pushed back to to oh, some sideway like this. You get pushed back. Okay, 5 minutes is still going up, upward candle. Okay, keep going on. Yes, make the attempt, fourth breakout attempt. Breakout this market open high. Come on, close above it, close above it, and NQ will break out this. Go. This is you already passed the neckline, so I'm expecting a long journey, long journey. Okay, breakout, breakout. Come on. Hmm. Oh, we cannot break out. There are so many, right? One, two, three, four attempts trying to break out this, but it gets rejected. Some seller is defending this level. And for NQ, somebody is defending this. But once we break out, then will be a long journey. Oh, 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 yeah. Yeah, I just care about this journey. I don't care about anything else. If you can break out here or not. And for ES, okay. C. The rubber band is just accumulating power to me. You can interpret this as okay, the upward momentum is keeps decreasing, keep vanishing. But you can also say, okay, this continuously higher high, something, higher low, something. So it's accumulating power. And once it break out this level, then it's just a long candle. Come on, at least you should close as a long candle, right? Oh, breakout? Oh, get rejected. Hmm, get rejected. Yes, they get rejected. And Q is trying to break out. Hmm. Oh, this line, you're gonna retest. Accumulating power, at least you should close as an upward candle. Show me the higher high. Otherwise, I'm gonna quit. Oh. That's not look right. Gets rejected here for so long upward. Buyers just cannot break out. Seller is strong, defending the line. I'll trigger my stop loss and keep me out. Okay, it really kicks me out. So in 50-minute chart, it looks like the Dow trend stops. I would not be surprised after so many trials, it just cannot break out. Is it retest? No, I don't think so. Because this is a critical line and the seller is so strong defending here. I just wish he can come back, pick me up. And this is the RSI divergence. RSI, something. Oh, you keep going up. Don't fool me. This is uptrend, so I should not go short. But it looks like the sellers are strong, pushing back multiple times. And I interpret this chart as the upward momentum keeps vanishing. So it's not a retest. It's like, okay, sellers are gradually taking control of the market and gonna push back somewhere around here, which is conservative estimation somewhere around here. So we'll see this candle line. It seems buyer is still trying. Close. Cover all the previous like upward candle and confirm the Dow trend. Okay, that's good. Yeah, profit goal is something here, and the order block is here. So probably I can set the expectation here, something. Oh, can I pass the evaluation today? I don't know. This shows RSI divergence. Um, this line is here and is here, so the RSI is too high comparing with the candle line. So I don't know. Today, RSI divergence is effective. That's what I can say. I'm not sure if this divergence is also effective for now. See, the buyer power is still strong. Push it back, something like this. So it's very difficult to trade the reversal because seller, buyer are just switching the control. And sometimes behave like buyers controlling, sometimes behave like sellers controlling, something like this. So it behaves like Sideway. So the stop loss logic is like whenever we see some uptrend confirm, buyers take control, then we just quit. quit the trade, minimize the loss. Because this is obviously this is a very aggressive entry to go short here. It's overall uptrend, so it's risky. Go. Oh, it covers previous downward candle. Sellers make the second attempt. You can think of it retest ENA 9 and get rejected. Now let's see the second candle line. For 5 minutes, okay, it's still like testing, get rejected by ENA 9. But we'll see. It's too early to talk about like take profit. Oh, can you break out? Lower low? Come on, lower low. Give me the lower low. So this is yes, trying to break out the ENA 9. Okay, good. Oh, gets rejected again. There are buyers defending the ENA 9. We'll see. 21. So it's just study. We'll see this candle how it closes. I can tell the sellers are very aggressive, trying to push down. Somebody is defending yen at 9. I'm not sure. So it's still sideways in the battering because the downward candle cannot cover this sideways, majority of the sideways candle. So it's still sideways. If you can break out this close somewhere between ENA 9 and ENA 21, then I can conclude something. At least I can set up like trading stop loss. But now I cannot. See, the buyers are still defending. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Get rejected. So maybe you will keep going up. Something like this can be treated as a liquidity sweep, micro liquidity sweep. And I'm not surprised if it keeps going up, but if it exceeds somewhere here, I will quit the trade. Sideway, we should not go into a trade like this. So when it arrives here, maybe probably we need to exit the trade. But when it arrives here, then it feels like, okay, it's not a sideway. I don't know. Oh, get rejected by yen a9. That's not a good sign for sellers, for me. At this time, I don't need to increase positions to risk more capital, because if the Dow chain is confirmed, then it will probably like trigger this like fair value gap arrives here, and I will meet my profit goal. But if the Dow chain is not confirmed, then I lose very limited capital. So that's the thing. I don't need to increase position. Okay, the seller makes the third attempt. See if this time we can break out. Let's see NES 3 minute. Oh, it looks like for this 3 minute. Oh, I don't see any divergence. Truth is, I don't see any divergence. Yeah, it still looks like it's sideways. Cannot tell who wins. Unless this candle uncover this upward candle, this downward candle uncover this upward candle. 3 minute. ES and NQ are on the same page. See if it exceeds. Third attempt to break out. In A9. What about 15 minute? Okay, that's fair. It falls back to here. Oh, it does not cover. Actually, only half. That means buyers are still dominating the market. Yeah, it's dominating. But it gets rejected here. Strong rejection. See? Strong rejection. But it just cannot push down, exceeds this line. So the buyers are defending here, while the sellers are defending here. Oh, it gets rejected. If it ends up to be a downward candle, that's a good sign, because the seller rejection is so strong. That means it's very strong for the seller rejection. This is a long trade. Oh, get rejected again. And it's a good sign, because I see this downward candle cannot cover this long upward candle. So I think, okay, buyers still control the market, but it looks like from this rejection, if it close somewhere around here, that means sellers are taking control. That's a good sign. I almost want to give up if it exceeds here, but it just stop here. Battling. It takes a while for the trend reversal, and I just enter into a trade too early. Let's see something clear and make a short entry here. Oh, great. breakout to the downside, breakout to ENA 21. Yeah, I like this long rejection, hour shadow line. That means seller is dominating. It's getting a triumph, a temporary triumph over buyers. Oh, oh, oh. See, it's sideways. Get rejected even earlier. It does not even mean it does not it cannot create a higher high. See here, it's just getting rejected, going down. But wait, this is like God, Jesus. Trend line here. It feels like yeah, still sideways. Cannot conclude anything. Cannot conclude that a seller is winning. God damn. Especially during this trend. God, we just enter in the middle of the sideway. So I will probably like get out of the trade here. Yeah, let's set the take profit here. Next time if you arrive here, I will quit the trade. I will not be greedy. I just want to quit the trade. Oh, oh, keep going up. Then I need to quit right now. Oh, oh, restart and close above the line. That's not good. Buyers dominate. Hmm. Oh, I just want to add some position to move my average entry price by force back. But it's very risky to add position this time. . because it can be breakout anytime, right? It can break out anytime. Once it break out, I just need to fall back. Oops, it keeps going up. That's not right. 5 minute chart, yes, it keeps going up. Oh, what's going? It looks like it's just after sideway keeps going up, uptrend. Overall, this is uptrend, so it makes sense if it keeps going up. But why interpret is like the upward momentum is vanishing? Yeah, just keep the just getting back, please. Again, long rejection line shows the seller is defending. Get to here and I'll quit the trade. See if you can get here. Wait to this line. Okay, a little bit greedy. I think the downtrend gonna resume because there is a long rejection, something like this. Okay, sellers, go, go, go. Oh, it does not close underneath this. It got rejected by ENA 21 this time. But the ENA 9 has shown slightly like reverse something. So it's gradually showing something like that. Okay, then I can drag this to profit target. And what's different this time is like I can set a trading stop loss maybe. Let's see, very close. Okay, it seems buyers are still defending. Oh, that's not good. Hmm. Buyers are defending. Yeah, drag it here. That's something realistic. You can always re-enter if the Dow chain confirmed. So far, it's still sideways and a little bit intimidated because this is their upward. It's seeing that it seems like the buyers are accumulating power. Sell something at some position to track my average entry something. Oh, you can trigger it? Okay. Oh, that's not right. Keep going up. That means breakout. Breakout to outside. You don't retest? This is like 6. You don't have a retest? No. It looks like breakout happens this time. Oh, damn. About 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes also shows a breakout. So that means the buyer accumulating power during this sideway. And let's see this candle. Okay, it falls back. That's good. If it does not fall back, then we just need to quit. Let's see how far it falls back. I hope this is a liquidity speed. So it covers this one over here. It looks like it's getting defended by ENA9. Oh God, you cannot even break ENA9? Kidding me? Come on, keep sideways. I trust you. Always back retest, sideways, and always play this trick like liquidity speed, right? So it's like a bottom liquidity, minor liquidity speed and upper liquidity speed and get back to here. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's good. Keep going. Liquidity speed. I trust you. Somewhere around here. Then I'll quit the trade, I swear. Oh, ENA21. ENA21. Come on. Yeah, keep going. Restart. Press the gas. Get rejected ENA21, that makes sense. So I move my stop loss to my take profit trigger at ENA21. This candle line is okay, it becomes stop. That means cannot conclude who wins. Buyers and sellers are still like equal. Okay, keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. If you go up, I'll quit. See, this is like breakout to this trend line and retest. And this is like very dangerous. I don't know. I don't know where the market goes. Let's just wait. It looks like it's just retest and resume up uptrend. No, do not enter in trade during sideways. Let's see how many I make today, and if it's good enough, then I just want to quit. This is too difficult to operate. Too difficult to trade. Um, Not on account, like 37, 109. Oh, it's already 300. I guess I can call it a day. 300. Let's see. No, I cannot see anything. Cannot conclude anything. Yes, it's like reaching the bottom, reaching the top ceiling, up above. NK is like a little bit above, but it's already break out the trend line. So I don't know. Buy here, and if it exceeds here, breakout ENA 21, then I just quit. Okay. Oops. Oops. It really break out ENA 21. Guess what? I just need to set a limit order at my intended stop loss, because you always reach my stop loss, but don't close right there. God, Jesus. Maybe I'll set my second trade here, which is another strong defending. Let's see. Okay, sideway here. It does not fall back. That means buyer still like very strong holding this line. Oh, okay, arrives here and I quit the trade. I'm not greedy. Yeah, let's leave this. Hmm. It shows that the buyers still very strong. At this time, cannot conclude, but maybe the sideway keeps expanding. The sideway continues. Okay, go up. Okay, this aligns to the possible new high. No, it's not new high. It's like a little bit finished new high. We'll see. So somebody is defending ENA 21. That's good. Then just go up, please. And maybe when you arrive here, then another downward big candle. So before this happens, I need to take profit. Go up. Show your defense on ENA 9 and keep pushing up. Okay, keep pushing up. Liquidity is keep going. New high. Trigger my take profit. Oh, good. That's very nice. That's very nice. Thank you very much, market. Let me see. Broker. Um, Trace. How many? 37. RC. Almost 300. And 300. Okay, almost. Well, almost 600. Yeah, 600. Good. I guess I can call it a day. Oh, it's so difficult to trade it sideways. And especially there's a trade in the middle. I've waited so long and lost and something. Sideways. If I can realize it's sideways, then I'll have my sideways setup. But honestly, for the range of this sideways, we should not go into a trade. It's very dangerous. It's very, I don't know. I almost give up from here, and I don't take profit here because I greedy. I move my take profit trigger. Um, and yes, I almost give up, and this one saves me, but I don't take this one. I don't take this. Okay, the buyers are still defending on the ENA 21. See, it gets defending, and this still trying. And when it reaches here, maybe a strong downward candle. Oh my God, I don't want to trade this market. Let's call it a day. Oh,